Hi friends, Keisha Shepard here, teacher, writer, and blogger at whispersintheridge.weebly.com. I'm back again today to share a strategy for generating writing at home, to share a poem using that strategy, and offer you an invitation to write. So one strategy that writers use time and time again is to think of places. You can make a list of places that are near and dear to your heart, places that you've been to before, places that you've always wanted to go. This poem was really inspired by some note-taking that I did when I was in my favorite place, just down by the lake where we live. And I like to go there a lot with my notebook and just sketch and observe the natural world around me. So this poem is called On the Lake. Dragonflies and skitterbugs zigzag across the water, then cling to swamp ferns and water shoots at the lake's edge. The water so still, it reflects the sky, like an impressionist painting. The hum of the motor on our flat-bottom boat and the gurgle of water beneath soothes me. So writers, I invite you to try this strategy if you like. You can start by making a list of your favorite places or places that you'd like to go someday. Choose one of those and begin writing. Or you may have something else that's calling on your heart to write about today. Or you can use a different strategy for writing. So until next time, happy writing.